In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share NotebookLM audio. By the end, you'll know exactly how to surface the right clip, turn on public access, and send a clean link to anyone who needs it, all without confusion. First, open NotebookLM. Launch it the same way you normally do and give it a moment to load your workspace. If you've used it recently, you'll likely land on your projects or library right away. The goal is simply to get into the interface where your audio lives so you can select the right item. Next, locate the audio you want to share. This might be a recording, a generated audio summary, or another clip you've saved. Scroll your list or use search if you have a lot of items. Take a second to confirm it's the correct piece. Check the title, the date, or even the duration so you don't accidentally share the wrong audio. A quick preview can help you be sure the content matches what you intend to send. Now, click the share icon on that specific audio. You'll usually find this near the title or in the audio's options menu. When you click it, a sharing panel or dialog will open. This panel controls who can access the file and how they'll get it. Inside that panel, enable public access. Turning this on makes the audio reachable by link, even for people who aren't in your NotebookLM workspace. This is great for quick distribution, but remember that anyone with the link can open it, so double-check that the content is appropriate to share publicly and doesn't contain anything sensitive. Once public access is enabled, click Copy Share Link. This places the unique link on your clipboard so you can paste it wherever you need: email, chat, documentation, or a project tracker. Paste it into your message and you're done. Recipients can open the link directly and listen without needing extra permissions. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. Keep your titles clear so recipients know exactly what they're opening. If you're sharing widely, consider adding a brief note explaining what the audio covers and why it's useful. And if you ever want to stop sharing, you can return to the same share panel and turn off public access to instantly disable the link. That's the whole process. Open NotebookLM, find your audio, click Share, enable public access, and copy the link to share. Simple, clear, and fast. Thanks for watching, and happy sharing.